Sartel the Pink Panther, with his SWorkz Donuts racing machine, is ready for the GP Montpellier warm-up. The European team manager for SWorkz will be around to control and make sure everyone on Team SWorkz is okay. Polito SWorkz Gimar goes Matrix tires and energy fuel. Polito won his first event with the SWorkz machine at Padova. Model X Racing testing new blends of Nitrolux fuel and Nova engines in Spain. The amazing event International Buggy Challenge IBC is back. 2023 International Buggy Challenge at Barcelos, Portugal at B-Buggy Arena, May 2023. X-Ray success in Switzerland 110 scale electric off-road. Lucky Toulouse, France buggy drivers, a brand new reconditioned track, very nice. Kyosho Masters event, a classic one, 23rd edition, May 2023 at Soucy-en-Brie, Paris, France. Papa Nicolau, called Papa John, will be again with Kyosho for 2023. Many years of cooperation. By Max RC Bodies Airbrushing, a very strange, very successful Mayako body. Smartcom Smart Starter, thanking its customers and friends. The first batch has been sold out. Very nice. For the Capricorn 1/8 scale on-road machine by Jumpstart RC and Blue Flame, option rear carbon body holder. Very nice.